Crunch is a Linux hacking tool used to generate word lists to perform dictionary attacks against services and encrypted files. We'll learn to use it in this video, in this short video. You'll see how easy it is to generate word lists once you learn its syntax and its options. I never understood what doxing is in America. What is it? Anyone care to explain? It's already installed in Kali. If it isn't, Kali. Good. Control L for a list of options. Crunch generates lists of words, taking as default arguments the minimum string length to generate, the maximum string length to generate, and the list of characters to use. So, for example, to generate a word list from the number 0 to 999, we will have to type crunch 1, 2, 3, and then it's not very interesting, but it's faster than doing it in a while loop in a programming or scripting language. Control L. Let's take a common scenario, for instance. Let's say that we have a user called Adam White, and that we want to try all of the permutations of the word Adam, followed by 3 numbers. For example, Adam 001, 002, 003, and so on. We'll have to use the option to define patterns, the option. This way, we can define what should stay the same, constant, and which characters in the pattern should instead vary, that are variable. The character @ defines a lowercase variable character, comma for uppercase, the percent character a number, and the exponential character for symbols. Press Q to exit. It's 7 characters, only the last 3 positions will have to change. So, crunch, 7, 7, -t, Adam. There you go. Want to add an exclamation mark at the end? Now it's 8. Good. What if we wanted to add a special character in the pattern, but it's an actual @ symbol, which is, by the way, a crunch meta character? It'll have to be escaped with the L option. It communicates to crunch which characters will have to be treated literally. Crunch 9, 9, Adam. One, two, three, 4. At 1, 2, 3, 4. The A characters are just placeholders of the previous command. The @ symbol is the only problematic character, so it'll be the only one we define with the L option. See? Now, charsets contain predefined character extensions, so that we will not have to type the entire alphabet manually in the terminal. The charset file is available at user share crunch charset.lst. you can use it with the -f option followed by the file name, then the charset file itself. For example, crunch, minimum of 4, maximum of 4, then use this charset. Press Ctrl C or it's never gonna stop. You can also save the crunch output, just like any other Linux command, by using the redirection operator greater than, for example. Its numbers from 00 to 99. Q. Or you can use the crunch-o option. There are a couple of advanced options that allow us to generate a word list starting from an existing word list. We also have word permutations. Maybe we'll cover them in a future video. A link to my excellent courses is available in the description. You'll start from scratch, learning the Metasploit framework and Kali tools, all the way to becoming a professional ethical hacker. Hundreds of students have already joined and are learning fast in Italy. We gone global today. The courses are in English, of course. You also learn Vim and Bash scripting to improve your effectiveness and speed when performing penetration tests. The link is in the description. Take a look at the free previews. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to. Doesn't matter. I am inevitable. You'll see. See you in the next one.